Good morning, good morning, good morning. I thank you. Thank you, subscribers, for your support, your expressions of sympathy, and the love that you've shown me. Thank you so much. Thank you. And for anyone that has not subscribed to this channel, there's an open invitation. You're always welcome to join the Gene G family. So click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. This morning, when I woke up, I just decided I needed to do something with my hands. And I decided that I would put in these Loc Loops and wear them for a few hours, take them down, because my daughter and I are going to be going out today for pedicures. And I am looking forward to that. I've decided that I wanted to come in and let you see me finish up putting these locks in. I have about 4 more, I think, to put in, because I'm trying not to make them too big. Before I take them out this time, I will count them and tell you how many I placed in there. I'll also record for you the way I style it, or whether or not it will be just a takedown and drop. I want you to know that my family is doing well. We're hanging in there together as usual. As usual. And we really appreciate you. These Loc Loops are so easy to use. I thought about using some sponge rollers or some other form of curlers that I have. And I realized that this was the simplest and the easiest thing to use. I am spraying on my hair water. That water has just a tiny bit of the Carol's Daughter vanilla. I'll show it to you because I can't remember. You know, a lot of times we remember the name or the brand of the product that we're using, but not the actual name of the product. That has been the case in so many instances in conversations that I've had with people, especially those with natural hair. They will remember, or we will remember the brand, but not necessarily the product. And I do believe that Carol's Daughter has several different conditioners. And I just want you to know that it's a leave-in. I've been using this spray bottle. I fill that bottle almost filled with water. And I'm going to show you the conditioner now that I placed in the bottle. It is the almond milk leave-in conditioner. And it's a daily damage repair. And I only put a little bit in the water, just a little, because I wanted to see what the difference in my hair will be. I did not use any setting agent, just the water with this mixed in. And I may have used maybe that much of it in this bottle of water, which means that it was very little. It altered the scent a little bit. It's a very mild vanilla scent. I will be back later for the takedown and to tell you how many of these Loc Loops I placed in my hair. Until then, enjoy your day. few in the back are not dry, and it took me about 4 minutes to get these, 4.5 minutes to get them out. There were 34, if I counted correctly. And I think I'm done. I'm just gonna let it hang. I'm gonna take my ponytail holder with me just in case I'm out in the sun a bit today, but I'm done for the day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers, but I especially love God because he's been good to me. He has been really good to me. He's blessed me in so many ways. I can't tell it all. And now, my 360. Have a great day.